So this is my new favorite thing with my scroll saw. These are pin end grits and they're little sanders. So check it out. Just go through the little keyholes on your puzzle piece. Sand it real gentle, like I'm on low speed, and